Welcome to ChopChopChef, and thank you so much for joining me today. I like to share with you my favorite recipe for a chicken burger, believe it or not. I know you think so simple, but let's see, what all my secret ingredients are. Okay, let's come over here. Obviously, when we work with a chicken burger, I use chicken mince, not a chicken fillet or chicken breast. Yeah, make sure everything's very cold, 100%. Yeah, so I will put in my chicken mince. I will have some oyster sauce. Then we have some soya sauce, a little bit sesame oil. Then we have fried dried shallots. In our burger goes as well chopped coriander. And over here we have our spring onion. All right, and then of course salt and pepper as needed. All right, let's start. Okay, here it is. So we have our oyster sauce, soya, sesame oil, our dried shallots. Then we do our chopped coriander, and we are already putting our spring onion in here as well. And already we can put a little bit cracked pepper and salt on it. Okay, and now, yes, believe me or not, you really now have to use some gloves and work this all nicely in. Huh? Okay, now we have our chicken mince here. This one goes in the refrigerator, and I have sort of portioned a 110 gram burger. This one I shallow fry now in the bread pan, and while this one is happening, my Turkish bread goes in the toaster. Okay, so our pan is here, our burger goes now in this pan, and as I said, look at this, sizzling nicely along. Remember, this takes around 8 minutes easy, has to be well done, so be patient. Okay, our chicken burger is nice and firm, right? So this was 10 minutes in the pan on low or medium heat. Yeah, now we take it out and presentation. Looking good. Okay, for our chicken burger, we have our toasted Turkish bread, beautiful, right? Now I take my beautiful oil here, yeah, and I drizzle a little bit of my special saffron oil on it, yeah, or extra virgin olive oil. Yeah, beautiful. We have some saffron threads on it. Okay, so this is this one. Then we're having our beetroot cashew nut dip. Yeah, this goes on both sides of the thing, and as you can see, don't be too shy. Yeah, we want to have definitely an additional good flavor. Yeah. And in this case, make sure it's all nicely spread all along. Yeah, you can hear how nice and crispy our bread is. Then I have here pan-fried lion's mane mushroom, right? So this one will be next, and this goes only on the bottom part of the Turkish bread. Okay, so we got our beetroot dip, our lion's mushroom, and now we're doing some of our snow pea sprouts. Yeah, when the snow pea sprouts, I cut with the stems a little bit, mix it nicely. And here I am as well, quite generous. Yeah, let's put this all on here. Bang, bang, bang. So like this. Then now we take some cracked salt, put a little bit salt on it, not too much. Our burger goes on it. Look at that, this looks already good. Yeah, that looks already good. Yeah, and then of course we need the top. Very easy, so like that, right? And then just for the fun of it, we're putting some of our skewers in. So our chicken burger, here we go. And I serve this one with my favorite and very trendy sweet potato fries. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I tell you what, you will love my version of a chicken burger with sweet potato fries. Thank you so much for joining me on ChopChopChef. And as you remember, The click below, right, called Buy Me a Coffee, gives you access to this recipe and all other ones. Thank you so much. See you next time.